Yes, Matt.
All right, the 10th of November. Took a small trade this morning on meds in my supply zone right here. Nailed it on this first red candle here. I was looking for the J lines because the 200 never came, cut it break even. This was also a nice setup here, which I wasn't really paying attention to, but it just came up into the golden zone stuff. Nice unwind here. Down to the J lines and down to the 200, so it would have been a nice play. But I sold my locates. I was focusing on other things. We've got a minute here for the bell. I'm looking at MOGO into this supply zone, into this zone here.
So pumpers are on Wise over here.
So I'll bring WISA up since it seems to be the
pumpers are on WISA.
Let's see. It's an earnings play, so it's not really my cup of tea.
By the way, rejection, pumpers are on the water. So you see the pop and fill the VWAP? That's our gap and crab. Pop and fill the VWAP over here. Fail over here of CTEC.
Well, we'll just not doing anything.
So that's coming down. That's falling. CTEC holding over here. Beautiful scalp on the Wise over here. Pop and fill the VWAP. Wise are falling right now. Set pumpers are out. Push over here on WISA, sorry, on CTEC. Short at 362, CTEC traders. Going to add a little bit higher. Short at 380. Short at more, full side 370. So short over here, the pop and fill, the VWAP. I'm risking this 386, 390 maximum traders. Pumpers over here. Pumpers on CTEC. Careful, on a break of 4, we can go up over here.
Il y a quelqu'un qui tape. Ok, c'est un message ou ton iPad est allumé.
Remember, we have set pumpers over here. Still set pumpers in. I'm looking for a break of 370. You see they're trying to hold the VWAP over here. This was the level we were looking in pre-market to short, 390, 395. WISA all the way down. Cover something 360. using my stop break even. You can see over here, my short all in the 390s over here. Some cover in the 355, 360. Same on second account on here. When I see 340, so risk was 392, but since I saw, like in pre-market, a big heat map at 4, then I was risking that 4. And remember, I still have position from pre-market, so pretty good. We had a perfect setup over here, J-line rejection on ZN, all right? Sellers CTEC over here below 350. Again, some top 356. Bumpers are still in, but I'm waiting this 340. Some algo over here, you see it? So both setups over here, we had pop and fill the VWAP, pop and fill the VWAP, right? Again, newsletter in, long 68. I'm still short, average with a pre-market 397. And I'm looking for the first target 340 down here. Beautiful ZM traders. Hope you took it. This was the A+ setup we were looking for. Was done here. Right now, we're screening the money. So 93, 94. I'm out, 386. So let's see possible unwind over here. So we'll re-enter later below VWAP and rejection. Perfect exit for me. Waiting. Now waiting, simply flat. I'm waiting this between 430 and 4. Let it go. Waiting, CTEC flat. Bumpers are still all in on CTEC. Y is over here giving J-line rejection. Y is of J-line rejection. Beautiful over here, WISA. Beautiful ZM. Last target on WISA is 230, 240, right? Remember, set pumpers are in CTEC. Looking over here at 450s. Let's see over here, 450. Short at 49 for a scalp. Why are set up to the 80 over here? Remember, 78%, 80%, and now stop to break even. Take fast your profit. Why this? Again, our level. Remember, 450.
No locates for CTEC. I would have like maybe nibbled it here, 450. But there is no locates. And I'm pretty sure if they do pop up, they'll be expensive. So
perfect for 47. Beautiful traders. Who took the one-on-one with me, remember what I told you. Wait for the 70, 78%, and this 78% is over here. Double top. I always told you, don't short the first one, look to short the second. Yeah. Took already some profit over here, now stop to break even.
there's literally like no, oh gee, there's locates, but it's really expensive, so I'm not gonna take it.
Let's see, 430, support.
There we go. Let's see this upper fib here. Wait for that.
Flat now, traders. There's still pumpers in this. You're still looking for the 455 breakout over there. Amazing traders on Zoom over here. Amazing Zoom. Anybody took it? Waiting right now on CTEC. Okay, so remember, gap and crab, the best is the first 10 minutes. You're already after the first 10 minutes, waiting, waiting, no setup right now. Still more on YM Zoom over here.
I had locates, but they're a bit so.
No setup right now. Let this go.
Tape is going crazy. There's a big demand because we're in float rotation, so that's why I guess locates are, when they are there, they're just too expensive. Yeah, this is nice. There's a nice rejection here. Okay, I took a feeler and I'm going to cut it right over.
Still waiting price action over here.
I'm just being ready.
Here is done almost. Created last target on Zoom.
If we punch over this supply now, can I get rid of this here?
Shorted 471 on CTEC, risking 480. 471 shorted CTEC, risking 480. Big soak over here, very tight stop.
I'm just going to be very careful on this. I got here an entry right here.
Let's see the break of that 445 traders. 448, 446, 445. Beautiful. Some unwind over here. Covering 420. And yes, simply got the top over here.
Nice.
Backside, you can see it.
Love it. Boom.
Beautiful backside. I waited all this grinding.
Okay.
Profit over here. Short over
Beautiful.
here. Over half over here.
Damn.
Same amount here on CP. And got it. So perfect timing. Okay, now put the stop to break even. Stop to VA.
Okay, now I'm going to be very careful. I covered half. And if this thing rips against me, I'm out, okay? Some Juicy World on. My next TP is going to be this here, okay? 375.
See, traders, you're still trying to pump it, okay? Careful always. This is gap and crap, right? Still below pre-market high.
Okay, I'm going to cover. I'm out.
380, Mabir allow Zoom.
I'm out. It's okay. I'm just looking at tape here.
So waiting over here on Wiser.
Yes. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So sick.
So pretty nice on CTEC, almost perfect over here, short, cover, some ads holding half of it here, cover and profit, short, cover, cover and profit, not waiting, not looking to trade anymore. It's
beautiful. That's all I wanted. That's
possible bounce
I
right now,
wanted.
creating some catalyst, possible bounce. Careful on Zoom right now, traders. Wise over here, couldn't take it. 2 pops, the VWAP, pretty easy. You see the volume over here, red. I like Zoom, Sean, over here for a bounce. I agree with you, buddy. So reason also we got out. Here. So as I said, not looking anymore to trade, right? Simply 950. No trade.
That's it.
So pretty good for the day. There, 17K. So I think I'm done. Jam, nothing for now. We'll probably go to the VWAP. Buys over here. If you're short,
nice.
For that
This is nice.
CTEC, let's see if we can have a fake breakout and maybe a short from there. So let's look if we have this 513 fake breakout. The trade that I expect is, I would say, only when I have a clear stuff and fail with a pre-market high, right? Other things, traders that you see around, we were looking at Mogo and simply died. We were looking at Mets and basically simply died. Came almost to the VWAP, so J lines over here, but nothing for now. Okay, let's see CTEC. KNDI. Yeah, I was looking in pre-market. Simply buddy over here. Beautiful fail. We were looking at Tesla, and Tesla gave another
beautiful
setup. The only reason we had 1 minute J lines above the 3 minute J lines, so it's not a plus setup, it's B grade. A plus setup is over here on ZM because they're the same level, but both play pretty good. AHD, let's see over here. Push 465. We never had the 5, no A plus setup. So waiting, traders, waiting. Pretty good morning. Simply safe right now. Squeeze over here. Set pumpers. Don't trade CTEC. Don't trade CTEC. No setup. Okay. We traded. We took our profit. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Do damn much.
Remember what we were looking on the daily, right? We don't have huge amount of bag holders over here on CTEC. Is it clear? Beautiful couple, beautiful goal. Okay, remember what I told you. No big overhead resistance, no big back holders on CTEC. Reason that this can go simply amazing. And I'm not longing if I don't have a curl up with J lines or VWAP. The only, I would say, good curl up over here happened in 4401. You see this, the long. So for now, nothing, just have to wait. Anybody was looking this morning, trader, at Roku? I mean, the setup over here, J line rejection, over here it was A plus Roku. That perfect leg point, the J line rejection, amazing. First 30 minutes, fail, J lines also B.
Alright, I'm not gonna touch this anymore. I'm actually gonna sell my locates. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, what's up?
Let's see Y's over here. Remember, 10 o'clock above open level, careful, right? I missed the scalp trade, this double top over here, this level. Sean, 27%. So basically, traders, why I say like this. You see this level that I have over here? It's something I'm working with Shonan. This look where it gave me the entry, not on the first pop, on the second pop. Sean, beautiful. I had the reason to short this 560, 570, missed it. I had already 4 profit trades, but this would have been sick. Sick, sick, sick. Beautiful, Sean. I have entering traders know perfectly how.
Okay. This is almost.
Waiting for now, traders, not booking you trade one. Pray you have a good day. Nitro, your short is perfect, beautiful, buddy. But this second cover over here, no reason. Sean, nice liquidity over here at that 580, beautiful body. Yeah, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Mabe, Ale, 27%. That's the top. So waiting. Traders, yep. No A plus setup for now. Nice lower high over here, this 550 trend line break coming. If we fail 5 traders, we go VWAP, right? So when you see CTEC, I'm going to do like this so you understand better. This is, I would say, seems like a three-way pattern, but we have over here a double top. Then we fade, so imagine this, okay, this level. And we fade, we reject that, and now expect to see a VWAP retest. Maybe better do like this. Rejection over here, this 550, because this is a main level, and now possible unwind over here. Okay. Again, WISA, where it went to our consolidation area, see that 335, 340, always that 80% fit, 78% fit that we had on CTEC, and then we had over here on WISA. I know that for new traders, all this is difficult to understand the first time, but will become very, I would say, automatic to realize this, okay? So you see over here, traders, this level. This is really picture perfect. And over here, again, the same level. We had it on this. Picture perfect, then dip, came up, reason to get out, break even. Zoom over here, new lows. Okay, and my beer still also probably should be part. Pushing again this 550 over here in CTEC. I'd like to see a flush over here. And there we have a flush. You see it? Flush or wash, whatever you want to call it. Nice stuff. Looking for a fader over here on CTEC. Let's see. Looks like we're gonna have a wash any moment on CTEC traders. If short, I would use 561 as stop. Person is still waiting.
Down.
Wise up, definitely, buddy. This trap for the longs over here. So, waiting for now, no positions. CTEC traders still pumpers now, watching it. Above 60, we'll have pumpers pushing it to 6. Careful. Stuffed over here again, 560. Very high risk to trade CTEC. Avoid it.
Come on. Come on.
Trend break on CTEC. Move over here, going all the way down, already target reached. Mads over here, target reached. Okay, so Mads, 2P reached. Mogo, 2P reached. Wiza, still to go. As you hold below open level, so below 3305. Okay, CTEC, we're at 10 o'clock and above pre-market highs. So, no A plus setup, right?
Come on.
Waiting right now for yours. Okay. We got our morning.
This is my last bullet. You punch over that golden zone, I'm out, okay? You gotta fail here. Gotta fail that 9 EMA. I see tape. And I'm gonna throw my order in for like VWAP here.
Okay, some questions
472.
from traders over here. Okay. So at this time, do you have a setup on CTEC? Is there any setup by playbook?
It's still teeter-totter here.
Okay, no. 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 Okay. So basically, what's happening? CTEC, perfect our pre-market short. Boom. What I say is the first target that we have to CTEC in pre-market. Alejandro, what is the first target on pre-market trading for shorts?
I don't like this. Come on, just give me a flush here.
1 minute deadline. Okay.
Okay.
And where
I'm gonna
CTEC
throw my
went,
order.
1 minute deadline.
Putting in my order now.
Beautiful. So reason to cover half. I was expecting 200 at the 5, but as I said, you have to work using risk management. Then, when it came up, by plan in pre-market, I said, look for popping field, and we short over here, short at 380, 390, still with half position of pre-market, and then cover down here, 360s, and then break even. Came up again, we reshorted before this flush over here at 450s, we got this 420s, and then break even. Since there, nothing is actually this way. But since there no A plus setup, remember what I told you. Or we trade in the 78-80%, this area, okay, this red that you see, all right, this, or nothing. Over here, 950 grinding, pre-market high breakout. We are looking up and fill pre-market high, never came. This is the 27% area that I'm still like testing with Sean, so something will add probably to the playbook. Perfect A plus setup, missed it. This for me was really a 4K trade, beautiful, missed it. And then came up, some stuff, no A plus setup over here because it can go either way. Okay, so now it's on the edge of breaking down the pre-market high, but no A plus setup to trade over here. Okay.
What's your average?
If you want a long, the only long you had,
541.
where's this one? Was exactly this level. When you have the VWAP, you see over here,
Okay.
VWAP.
So if we punch over this or not?
Look at the volume. Great on the first bar, great on the second one. Is it clear, Mark, Patricia, John? A plus setup over here. Curl up, VWAP, 9
Careful.
above, high volume.
Okay, I'm just keep my finger on the trigger finger here just in case. If we
Okay.
punch over this here,
So it's not that I can trade every single thing because I
I'm
was
just going to put my tick
positioned.
chart.
So, or I'm short or I'm long. Start looking for this wedge on CTEC over here. Look. Finally, we have a fake break of the wedge and then boom. See if we have the fail. Possible wash. Let's see. Often we have fake breakouts and then boom. Doesn't matter, Patricia, the more you will recognize the setup, screenshot it today, put it in your playbook, the more you will, I would say, be faster in trading. Chat bunkers traders are still cheap.
Okay, I'm going to cut it.
Stop drinking scotch.
It's still high volume though. Okay, cut it. I cut it. Cut it.
It's still pump. CTEC traders, it's still pump. Sorry, buddy. I'm gonna put it for you anyways. Like this, right? So this is WISA. We have CTEC, and down here you can see the support on ZM. I think those are the most important right now. Okay, traders, let me know if you can see them good.
Oh, that's the supply zone right there.
Okay, set pumpers are out. You see they're out. And all their subscribers get stopped. Very, very badly. They said CTEC is not an A plus weight. Sean the new, maybe buddy, you will share this better than me. This is, can you put up footprint buddy of CTEC? I see a big red over there, maybe members want to see and recognize it as well. Okay, now all longs are bag holders straight. Start watching for the 5 breakdown. Thank you, Lehman. Girl, beautiful. I showed it 530, basically 551. Very small position because I don't want to give that use. Okay, so I shorted CTEC. CTEC shorted 536. Basically 551. Small position. Only because I'm looking for the 550 rejection. You see this algo book method. Okay, but very, very tight risk rate if we want to get that today. A lot of buyers over here right now, so probably will get stopped out. Let's see, 540, short 1/5 of position. Only one account over here. So sell off.
Still a lot of buyers here, right?
Stop break even trade. 536 right now. Don't care if that will eventually go down. Don't want to risk this holding too good. Yeah. Probably now we'll go all the way down, but position. This is the micro support is forming, so we'll revisit. This is not an A plus out of what I traded, right? It was only a rejection of 550 and looking my trade according to the tape. Simply waiting now sidelines. You can see my trade over there. I'm shorted. 1 second. It's done. It's done. It's done. I would say the thought process is all the longs are back over. Trap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Farmer is not anymore on the game. So that's the reason why I was looking for a breakdown from 79 and I was shorting this top. Okay, I was shorting exactly this top over under the 9 EMA. If I have to be honest, I think it will work. But in this moment, I'm letting myself be ruled by emotions, so not by technique. By the technique, this was my stop, and I'm looking my profit today, and it's the moment that I say, okay, it's enough. I did my goal, almost 70K for the day with Maldiya, so I'm waiting. And if we will have an afternoon trade, maybe late 8:50, I will take another trade, small, because the last time I was up like this.
Yeah, give me a 1 minute, baby.
Trade afternoon, I basically lost all my gain and more. Doing fuck up things. So the point for me is don't give back your morning.
26.
You trade good, okay? Because you're maybe like greedy, you maybe want to have more. And I know that who is advanced or a pro trader has often these battles with himself. Fancy, I think is very, very wise because he said don't trade wise. I remember buddy this morning what we were saying over here, 90 to 80, we see an algo, and I said probably they were gonna hold this. So the point is, you can trade it scalping,
Come on, bring it down the
like
VWAP.
Charlie, Carfid, even Benson, sometimes Eddie trades. Some traders are very good scalping, even Shimmer, the web now is trying to go scalping. So pop and fill the VWAP over here. Over here you had a nice pop and fill the J lines. But after this moment, it became so trappy and started to grind and curl over here that if you see this trade, this setup over here, you can see right away it's a long setup, right? It's a 9 MA reclaim of the J lines, curl up, giving you a long setup over here. And then we went to the 78% level, not the first bar, second bar over here. So anybody wants to be in the recap here, follow the recap? Yeah, boss. Yeah. Okay, so I would like that fuck CTEC. Sorry, traders, but I really was okay. I so clearly, please, is that important? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, sorry. Taras, are you here, buddy? Shonan, are you here? Would you like to be in the recap with me if they give you voice?
Could you give me a minute, Lynn?
Okay, Sean, what is your nick?
Oh, hold up.
Is it you, this one? The amazing miracle man? No, it's not you, right?
No.